Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download and install Paxful app on your mobile device. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your app store, go to search bar, type in Paxful. Now once you have searched it up, your app gonna appear right over here. Tap on get and simply have to double click for it to start downloading and wait till that particular blue line is simply completed. Once it's done, you're going to find this option of open. You can tap on open and you can start using your app on your mobile device likewise. Now if you go back, it will simply be listed on your phone interface. So this is basically the easy step to do so. If you got more questions or inquiries, make sure to leave them in the comments below. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.